Hello all, welcome back to our channel. This is Sujita from wsesilksarees. In this video we are going to see Emposse Handloom Kanchipuram soft silk sarees. All these sarees are rich Emposse work. We have 6 to 7 different colors in this video, so we are going to see all these sarees in this video. Before that, if you are first time watching our channel, please to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so that you'll get regular notifications whenever we are uploading fresh collections. So we are manufacturers of pure handloom soft silk sarees. Our shop is located in Sirumuhai, Coimbatore district, Tamil Nadu. You can visit us directly as well for more collections. We are giving it for wholesale and bulk orders as well. So please do contact us and visit us directly for more collections. So now let's see all these sarees in detail. All are very beautiful color combinations. So the very first saree is a pink with blue combination, a rich pallu in blue color. You have a golden zari work and a thread work, and all over the saree you have a beautiful emposse work. In that you have a mango motifs in gold zari and thread work. You have both sides a tissue border and a contrast blouse in blue color. This is the back side of the saree. As you can see, the emposse work comes all over the saree with a mango motifs, a very rich work. And next is onion pink color with a blue combination, a rich pallu in blue, and all over the saree a very beautiful onion pink. In that you have a emposse work and a mango motifs which comes all over the saree. You will get a contrast blouse in blue color. So all these sarees have both sides tissue border. All our double warp sarees comes with a SILKMARK certified. So if you wanna book any of these sarees, do take screenshot and text us in the WhatsApp. I'll add a link below in the description box, so you can click on the link and share the screenshot. Next is a pink with a cross combination, cross light green combination. All are same design, only the color combination is different. So please do watch this video fully for all the color combinations. This is the back side of the saree. So we have video call facility as well, so you can contact us for video call facility, and you can confirm the color as well if you wanna see the sarees again in the video call. And next is orange with pink combination. So we have more collections in our YouTube channel, so please do check our YouTube channel for other collections as well. All are our own manufacturing sarees. We do have customization as well. You can give us a color customization in our designs. We do give you a color customization. This is the back side of the saree. So please do watch this video fully for all the color combinations and book your favorite saree.